All right, so I'm on Union Island. This is, I believe, the 8th of July 2024. This is the post office. Hey? Boy, I come this year going on. I came this year going on. Yes, so this is the extent of devastation that we're looking at. This is where the courthouse is. So, I guess we won't be having any court anytime soon. This is Clifton Beach Hotel. Wow. Over here is where the Grand Union Shopping Center used to be, or still is, part of it, or whatever remains of it. This is devastation like you've never seen it. And this is a week to this Monday, exactly 1 week after the storm. And I can assure you that people have been working assiduously to clean. This is where we at. Vera, how are you going, sweetheart? You good? How are you going? No, look me here.
Hey, brother, me.
Yeah.
I mean, I recognize him, Rajiv.
You good?
When the people said anything, I'll avoid the word Nemo, man.
Nemo, yeah.
Avoid the word Nemo, don't send no people Nemo.
Alright.
You know what the bank is in Silvis the other day? Them not bringing out some of them food from the place.
I know.
All them things expire.
I know.
Man, let's do something better than that.
Alright, so this is Lambi's. Cleat. This is Roseman's Mall, right? This is Roseman's Mall. It's housed a lot of offices. It's all gone. This is what was formerly Eagle's Nest. All it is now is a mountain of rubble. You can see up in the hills, all of the vegetation is gone. Eagle's Nest is pure rubbles. This is the gas station. This was Snacks Grocery. This is Mitchell's Hardware. This has been around for many generations. Hey Vonus, you good? You survived? No injuries?
Hi.
Hey, good day. Well, I'm very happy to hear that. I'm very happy to hear that. You all good?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Yeah. Alright, so this is Cash and Carry. Justin?
Patrick Jones.
What's going on, my brother?
Good on.
Both?
Love, man.
Blessings, man.
Yeah.
Just came through to see what's going on, boy, to see what we could do. Because, hey, no, man, everybody had to come on board to help out. You understand?
Nice club is on board already.
Yeah, everybody had to come on board. Yeah. So, Justin, you stirring water?
Yeah?
You stirring water?
Yeah, but Lions Club. Yeah,
Lions Club.
That, you know, now you see something.
We're distributing something. So
Okay.
On the way,
Right.
something again.
Alright,
You
cool.
don't go wrong.
Aye?
You don't go wrong.
If
We get them things shown.
some of those is us.
Yeah,
Yeah, we see them, yeah.
Alright, let me help out with one of those bags. Alright. Boy, you want to
The floor, there. If you do the floor there.
Yeah,
You make it?
I hope so.
But you come off your floor.
Yeah, alright, cool.
You got it, you don't moving it out.
Nah, she moving. Alright, so, yeah. Alright. That's Clifton Beach Hotel. Not Clifton Beach, Mitchell's. That used to be my cousin, it's Girlsy. This is Sylvester's. Just look at the destruction. Look at the destruction. This is where Macintosh. This is where the post office was. This entire building has lost its roof. Everything is gone. Everything is gone. This used to be Ken's restaurant. It's gone. Total destruction. Everything gone. You can see going up the hill. Yeah. Hey? Yeah, boy. Hey, good man. All right. Cheese, boy. Are they working for all of this rounds?
Yeah, honestly.
It's bad. So how things going, man?
It's a struggle, but you know what I mean.
Hey, blessings, man.
We trying our best to assist everybody and things.
Boy, y'all are the new heroes, boy. Y'all are the heroes, because trust me, to get this place in this condition in such short a time, it means that y'all would have done a lot of work. Yeah. Well, keep up the good work. Yeah, man. Blessings, man. All right, cool. Yeah.